this. Let's get our spoon. Oops. Yeah, making pumpkin pie. Good job. Here, let me scoop it out and then you can stir it up.
Like we picked pumpkins and the pumpkin person with Billy and Brian and the other one, they remember?
I do remember when we picked pumpkins at the pumpkin patch with Bodie and Marissa and Brian. Okay, and before we stir, we're going to pour this in. You want to help me pour this in? Hold on. Put it down. You got to pour in the sugar and the spices. Good job. All right. Stir very carefully until it's all mixed up. Good job. Do you like pumpkin pie?
Yeah, I do. Remember we ate some at the grandma and the grandpa's house?
I do. That was on Thanksgiving, wasn't it? That was yummy. We're going to have some again too at Christmas.